Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Benchmade Puukko fixed blade. This knife has a classic Scandinavian design, of course with an amazing performance of a Benchmade knife. It's got about 3 3/4-inch blade on there that uses CPM 3V stainless steel. It's about 8 1/4 inches overall, so nothing super big, just compact enough that's super accessible at getting the simple jobs done in the outdoors. Has a nice Santoprene handle that gives it kind of that rubberized feel, and with a little bit of texture in there, makes it super grippy. Weighs at a nice 4.51 ounces, so it's just heavy enough to do some serious work, but still light enough that you can carry it quite simply on your side. Let's take a look at the leather sheath here. Has a little spot for a ferro rod. Fits nice and snug in there, so it's not going to be coming out really easy. So make sure to get yours at Blade Ops. And also, just a side note for everyone, Benchmade is going to be releasing a lot of new products for the new year. We don't have any specific release dates yet, but make sure to keep an eye on our website for more updates.